Hello Stellar Guitarist community, I hope that you guys are doing well. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play two versions of Happy Birthday. We're going to be learning an easy version where we're just going to be doing strumming, and then we're going to be learning a more difficult version where we're going to be picking. I've decided to do a lesson on Happy Birthday because the month that I'm filming this in is March, and March is a very special month for me because it's my birthday month. So if you're also a March baby and share a birthday with me in this awesome month, then please do mention that in the comments down below. Say hi, let me know what day your birthday's on, and without further ado, let's jump into the lesson. So for the strumming version of Happy Birthday, we only need to learn 3 easy beginner-friendly chords. The first chord you're going to need to learn is a C major chord. We then have G major. And our third chord is an F chord. Now we're going to be using my easy F here. It's called an F major 7 chord, but I just call it easy F, and we strum it down from the 5th string. Now the song is so easy that we can actually play this with just one down strum. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. But if you want to spice it up a little bit with the strumming pattern, we can do 3 down strums. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if we play that again with our 3 strums, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And then I'm going to show you one more strumming pattern that we can use because the song is in 3/4 time, so it's a swing rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so on and so on. We can use our pattern down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. So we're going to start again from that C chord. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Moving on into the second half of this lesson, where we're going to be looking at the picking pattern for Happy Birthday. The tabs will be up on the screen for those of you who can read tabs. If not, then just listen to the instruction and follow along with me. Let's dive into learning the picking version of Happy Birthday. All we're going to be doing is focusing on the 3rd, the 2nd, and the 1st string in this version of Happy Birthday. So the first thing we're going to be doing is playing 2 open strings on the 3rd string. Next, we're going to be putting our 2nd finger onto the 3rd string and taking it away. So those 4 notes. Next up, we have our 1st finger being placed in the 1st fret on our 2nd string, followed by an open string. So if we put that all together, let's do that one more time. 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0. The next part of the song starts almost exactly the same. All we change is the next 2 notes. We're going to be putting our 3rd finger into the 3rd fret on our 2nd string, and then back to that 1st finger on the 2nd string in the 1st fret. So the 2nd section. Moving on into the 3rd section, this is where we're going to be doing a little bit of a jump from one string to another. We start with the same 2 open strings on the 3rd string. Now we're going to put our 3rd finger onto the 1st string in the 3rd fret, followed by an open string, 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, open string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. So from the start of that section, I'd say that's probably the most difficult part of this picking version of Happy Birthday. So if we do it one more time. Then the last section, we're going to be putting our 1st finger in the 1st fret, playing it twice. Open string follows. Take your finger to the 2nd string, 1st fret, and then reach across with the 3rd finger into the 3rd fret, and back to that 1st fret with your 1st finger on the 2nd string. If you'd like to join me, then let's do a quick playthrough of Happy Birthday from the beginning. 1, 2. And that is how you play Happy Birthday on the guitar. I really hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and for celebrating with me today in my special birthday month. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye.